Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video quickly, I'm going to be showing you a tool that will help your article that is written with AI to be ranked online without any of those search engine detectable AI to detect your article to be written by AI. Okay. Now, if you're a blogger or you are a journalist or you are somebody that just writes online and you want your works to be seen by a whole lot of people, then this video is for you. Okay. Now, I want you to understand that Chrome, Bing, and other search engine machine actually have their own tool that detect articles that are written with AI, and they prevent those kind of articles from ranking. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this tool that a whole lot of people have started using and is helping them to rank their articles online. And the name of that tool is called Undetectable AI. Now, this Undetectable AI actually helps you to bring your AI written tool in form of a human written article, okay? So whatever you want to write online and you want that thing to actually rank online, this is the right tool for you to use, okay? As you can see on my screen, this is the tool I'm talking about. You can see the name here, Undetectable AI, okay? So if you come down here, okay, you're going to be seeing this space. This is where you're going to be pasting that your work, okay? Whichever article you've written. Let me go to my website. If I come to my website here now, you can see this is my website, and I decide to copy this article that I've written. Let me quickly do that, okay? So I'm going to be showing you exactly how this thing works, okay? So if I copy this article now, and I go to Undetectable AI, okay, let me paste it here, and I'm going to paste this stuff here, this article here. And if I come down here, you can see where it says check for AI. If I click on it, okay, you can see, okay, I need to click on this terms and condition here. So I've clicked on this terms and service here. Then I'm going to click on check for AI. You can see the result it just brought out. You can see, say your content appears human, okay? So this article, I use this particular Undetectable AI to make this article to look like it's written by human, whereas this article was actually written with an AI machine. In short, I wrote this article with ChatGPT, okay? So let's go to ChatGPT. Let me quickly show you something again. So we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to copy it, we're going to write an article on ChatGPT. Then we're going to bring the article here and we're going to paste the article, okay? So let's go to ChatGPT. So yeah, here is ChatGPT. So we're going to write, let's say, how to make money, okay? Okay, let's say how to make money online. So we're going to get an article here. So the article we're going to get from here, we're going to go back to Undetectable AI. I'm going to paste that article on that tool to see the result we're going to be given. If that article, if that tool is going to be telling us if the article is written by AI or by human, okay? So let's go ahead and get the article from here. So let's get ChatGPT to help us write the article, okay? So you can see ChatGPT is helping us to write how to make money online, okay? Article here, okay? So after writing the article, I'm going to copy the article from here and go to Undetectable AI, okay? So quickly, let's copy the article here, okay? Let's copy this article. Then we're going to go back to Undetectable AI, okay? So here we're going to paste the article here. Remember, this article is written with AI, okay? So we want to see if this tool is going to detect that this article is written by human or with AI, okay? So you can see up here where you say readability. You can choose either high school, university, doctorate, journalist, or marketing, okay? That means you want to choose what you're going to be using this article for, okay? But we can still leave it at default, which is university. Then the purpose, you're going to choose this purpose here. Is it a general writing? Is it essay? Is it article? Is it for marketing purpose, okay? Or something, okay? But in this case, we're going to be using marketing purpose here, okay? Then we're going to come down here. Here, you are expected to just choose, you can see, we're going to leave it on this readable because we want it to be readable. If you want it to unbalance, you can also choose balance. If you want it on more human, you can choose more human, but we're going to leave it on more readable because we want everybody to be able to read this article, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to be talking about this Humanize, okay? Peradventure, or if you click on this check for AI and the article comes out detected written by AI, we're going to use this Humanize button here, or this Humanize tool here, to make it look like it's written by a human, and we can post it on our blog or wherever I want to post it, and it's going to rank, okay? So here, let's click on this check for AI. So we're going to click on it. So let's wait for it. You can see, you see your content is detected as written by AI, right? So you can see, because the content is actually written by AI, we just use ChatGPT to write this content. That is the reason why he's saying that this content is actually written with AI. Okay. Earlier you can see this one that I actually copied from my website. Okay. I used this tool earlier to humanize this content, this particular content on my site. And you can see that was the reason why the tool could not detect that it was written by AI. Okay, you actually saw it initially when I did it. It said it was written by human, right? So that is why you can see it on my blog here and it's ranking. Okay, so here now, because this one is detected that is written by AI, we're going to click on this button that says humanize. So what that means is that this button, this particular tool on this undetectable AI, is going to help us to turn this article to look as if it is handwritten by human. Okay, so let's click on it now. You can see the tool is now helping us to make this article look like it's written by a human. Okay, so you can see it now, right? So you can see this is, you can see the original one here, and you can see the one that the AI has helped us to rewrite like it's written by a human. Okay, so all you just need to do now is just to come here and copy this article. Okay, you can just come here, you can copy it, then you can go to your website, okay, and you can post it. Now, when you go to your website or wherever you want to post it, Google will not be able to see this article as written by AI anymore. It will see it as being written by human, and this article will be able to rank on Google, be it on Bing or any other search engine you're going to be posting it, okay? So this is how easy and possible it is for you to use this AI to get your article rank. Okay, you can actually start using this undetectable AI for free, but if you want to scale up, then you have to come up here where it says pricing here. Okay, you're going to register on the website, you're going to register on this website, and you're going to click on this pricing here. Now you can see that the pricing is actually very affordable. Okay, you can see here just $9.99 per month for 10K words that you'll be using. Okay, so you can see this other one. This is the one I actually will advise you to actually go for. Okay, this will be paying just $5 per month if you are going to be going for the yearly subscription. I'm going to be dropping the link to Undetectable AI in the description of the video. You can just go ahead, click on that link, and that link will bring you here, and you'll be able to get this AI. Okay, now remember, this tool is just basically to help you bypass AI detector on Google, Bing, and other search engines. So you can see the benefit is so enormous. Okay, so I want to believe you take advantage of this, and so please go ahead and like this video, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch the video. I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.